Hi, I'm Sean and this is Kyle, and we're your writing surface experts from Claridge products. Today we're going to be installing a low profile marker wall using glass panels. You want to get your trim out and find the location on your wall that you're going to be installing this. This trim is slotted. The same trim will be used for the top and the bottom. You'll want to cut this to desired length. It'll come in a stock size. So determine the length of your run and cut it to your desired length. After you have done that, you'll want to strike a line at the bottom. What Kyle and I like to do is strike the line at the top of the trim. It's just a little easier to see than trying to put the bottom on top of the line. So we have already went and done that. We're going to be roughly a couple inches off our baseboard. We'll install that using the proper anchors for your type of wall. So once you get your bottom trim up, you'll set your piece of glass in there. You'll mark the desired height. You can take your piece of glass out and you want to measure down 3/4 of an inch from that desired height, screwing of the slot on your top trim. So at this point we have our trim top and bottom. We had drilled in the center of those slots and we have tapped that trim all the way up. That'll give us the room that we're going to need to put our panel in, and then we will tap that trim down. So at this point we're ready to flip our glass over, add our adhesive, and apply it to the wall. Okay, at this point we've got our glass in and we're just tapping this trim down secure to the top of the glass. Okay, we have our first panel in. We're ready to put our second panel in. Claridge provides a Tmolding to go in between this glass. Some people prefer it from the back. We use it to space on the front. So we'll tape it to the front and we'll slide our panel together, and then we'll pull this out and go ahead and slide those two panels completely together. It'll prevent you from slamming the two together and breaking a piece of glass. So it's kind of a protective piece. You'll simply just put it in like that, kind of tape it to one side. We're going to repeat the same gluing method, 1-foot grid. Okay. Again, you want to take care to ease these together very gently. Okay, once you get them together, we can pull our protective Tmolding. At that point, I'm going to get back up there and I'm going to go ahead and continue to tap my trim down. So at this point, we have a 3-board run in this particular instance, and we've applied our adhesive to the last panel and we're ready to apply it to the wall. Okay, good tight seam. At this point, we've finished the installation of our low profile glass marker wall.